For today, Creative Arts, we're going to do some drama and look at hand shadow puppets. Click the slide to see the activity. For this activity, you will need a light source, such as a torch, a lamp, or the phone torch or an iPad's torch. Watch the video How to Make Shadow Puppets with Your Hands on YouTube by clicking the link. Now you need to create a space to work in. Find a room at home that you can make dark. You might need to shut all the doors and the curtains and make it as dark as possible. Find your light source and bring it to this room. You might need to ask a family member to help you hold the light source so you don't have to hold it because you will need your hands to make your shadow puppets. Position the light source so that it's shining up against the wall or the surface you are using. Test by making an open hand on the wall and slowly pulling your hand away from the wall towards your light. Your shadow should appear on the wall like magic. I do have a question for you to explore. What happens to your shadow when you move your hand closer? And then what happens when you move your hand further away from the light? The next step is your practice step. You need to click the link to watch the video again and begin to copy some of those hand movements to create your puppets, your shadow puppets. You might like to just pick 2 or 3 and try and master those. If you're having difficulty, do the easier ones. If you'd like to challenge yourself, pick a harder one. Now that you've had plenty of time to practice, it's time to perform. Click on this link that I've provided to see how a hand shadow puppet is used in a performance. Once you've seen this to inspire you, it's your turn to think about your performance. Create a scene using your shadow choices that you've mastered from above. For example, you might choose a swan, a goose, and even a turtle. They might be the 3 that you've been practicing. Once you've mastered those, think about those 3 characters and think about how they move, what they sound like, how they sleep, how they might yawn, how they might eat, or what might they say if they actually spoke. Once you're ready and you have practiced a performance over and over again, invite a family member to see your performance. Can they guess what animals you are doing? If you'd like, you can also video your performance and upload it to your Google Doc as an attachment. Enjoy using your hands to create shadow puppets, and I look forward to seeing some of your shows.